Today we're going to talk about measuring distance using the inch, foot, yard, and mile. First, let's look at an inch. An inch is about the size of a paper clip. Next, let's look at a foot. A foot is about the size of a sheet of notebook paper. A foot is exactly 12 inches long. We use a ruler to measure a foot. A ruler is 12 inches. Now let's look at a yard. A baseball bat is about 1 yard long. 1 yard is the same as 3 feet or 3 rulers put together, which is also 36 inches. We use a yardstick to measure yards. Now let's talk about a mile. You can walk 1 mile in about 20 minutes. It's about 4 times around a track. It's 5,280 feet. Now let's practice. Name the appropriate form of measurement to measure each distance. So we're going to say either an inch, foot, yard, or mile. The first one says the distance to the next town. You would use miles to measure the distance between towns. The length of your finger. The best measurement to measure your finger would be the inch. It's the smallest form of measurement in the customary system. The length of a football field. To measure the length of a football field, you would use a yardstick. You would measure in yards. The height of a bookshelf. The best way to measure a bookshelf would be in feet. You would use a ruler. And that concludes our lesson on measuring distance using the inch, foot, yard, and mile.